Hey everybody, Josh here with you at the Marshall Auto Exchange. I'm going to show you this 2004 Bluebird bus we just took in. This bus was just taken out of service here this spring when school ended. It's a good running bus. We just drove it 4 hours back from where we bought it from. Runs and drives great. Tires are next to new. Tons of tread. They're a set that were put on all at the same time, so good looking set on it. All the lights, blinkers, flashers, everything works on it. It is a diesel cat motor. '77 capacity bus. All the seats are in it. Exact miles as of today, 249,432. Show you the cat motor quick. All the way around, nice looking bus. Runs great, fans work, engine runs great, tons of power. If you're interested in setting a time to see this vehicle, you can reach us at 507-531-AUTO. That's 507-531-2886. You can find this unit and all of our inventory online at MarshallAutoExchange.com. And if you've got a trade-in, we'd love to hear about it. This vehicle does require a CDL Class A driver's license as well as the passenger endorsement to drive. Thanks everybody.